Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon and this is Luminous Guide. I am your Luminous Guide. Let's enlighten the light within. Now, first of all, a very happy International Women's Day to each and everyone who is watching here. International Women's Day is like a global day. It's celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievement of us women. And this day also marks, a call to action for accelerating all gender parties. So let's not be those kind of feminists who put men down and bash men. We are not that. We are here from women to accelerate women, right? So happy International Women's Day. Now, there is something that I had to really discuss in open and talk about. Okay, so while I was counseling a couple of ladies out there, I came across them talking something that really did not make sense to me. It looked like that, it's the in thing or it's trending. For example, there's a quote and then you quote somebody, right? So I was wondering, what is this BS that they're talking about? Where is it coming from, right? And then I did a little research and I saw that it's actually on Instagram and Facebook when people put it out there, and it is so horrible. Imagine we using those kind of statements and sentences in our day-to-day communication. It really backfires. It also changes our thinking, and believe you me, it's horrible. I'm going to just discuss this shortly. And if you are following all these social media blindly, please think again. Okay, all these quotes, they sound cool, but if you make them a part of your life, it is not really cool. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, so there are many that I've come across, but I'm not going to take a lot of your time. There are three significant ones that I have heard repeatedly, and I'm going to raise that out to you. So I've written it down here on this brown bag that I have. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Okay, but let me okay, I'm sorry. I cannot believe you guys are just following all this blindly. Stop it. Like, stop it. It's not cool. Okay. The first one. Everyone's going to eventually hurt you, but you need to know who's worth hurting you. Like, seriously? Like, everyone's going to eventually hurt you, but you need to know who's worth hurting you. No. There is nobody worth hurting you. So what you're doing out here is, by talking about this one quote, by putting it back on your social media, copy pasting it on your wall, you are saying it's okay to be hurt? I don't think so, my friends. Okay, girls, what's wrong with you? There's nobody on this planet Earth who is worth hurting you. You are not here to take people's pain. You cannot identify, oh my god, among the A, B, C, D, I nominate B and I give him or her the power to hurt me. No, there is nobody who is worth hurting you. If you have somebody in your life who is constantly hurting you, please take that as a red flag. Leave them be. Let them get out of your life, or deal with it, or solutionize something. There is nobody worth hurting you. Okay? Get that right. I don't know what to say. The second one is, oh, I let fate define me. Okay? So I really went back and I checked. It says, let fate define you. No, again. Fate is not here to define you. You are here to make your own fate. You are here to make your own living. You are here to manifest something which is much larger and greater in life for your sole purpose. So let fate don't define you. You define fate. Okay? It's not a very cool line. Take it out of your wall instantly. It is stupid if you are letting fate define you. And how do you do that? Do you even know the tips to do that? Do you know the trick to do that? How do you let fate define you? It's not cool. See, you have to really understand the subtext of what I'm saying right now. Okay? Oh, now this one takes this is like the cherry on the icing. Okay? I'm going to read this out. Karma is just sharpening her nails and finishing her drink. Excuse me? This got me in splits. Okay, karma is just sharpening her nails and finishing her drink. What are you trying to say? You think karma is like that? Do you even know what karma is? It's a very beautiful, way of living. It's if you don't follow Buddhism, also you have to understand the whole meaning of a karmic cycle is very beautiful. Okay, it's not BS and it's not wrong. And if you need to know more, please hit me up. Okay, I'm going to help you to understand what karmic cycles and karma is. It may sound very cool. It sounds like a graphic on a t-shirt that karma is sharpening her nails and finishing the drink. There's no harm if it's like, I don't know, but then if you're actually putting that in your head, you are manifesting wrong karmic cycle already. Okay, so these were the top 3 that I found hilarious, and I think you should just stop doing it. This is my take, but it's up to you totally. I will say more power to you, women, if this works out for you, but nobody is worth hurting you. Remember that and remember it now, all right? Pass this on to your men friends as well, please, and do not male bash. Do not do all that. We women lift other women, and that's how we are empowered. We don't put people down for power. Okay? Okay? All right. So I leave you be. Happy International Women's Day till we meet again. Goodbye.